Friends, welcome to Early Learners and Right Brainers. This is Shraddha, and today we are going to discuss about the daily reading program of word flashcards. As per Glenn Doman, there are many guidelines provided in his famous book as well as on the website and everywhere. With due respect to the copyrights, everyone is finding information and providing their own opinion and their perspective. It is up to you viewers how you want to feel and take it. This is my concept, or this is my methodology that even I am following with my child. Some days I'm not able to follow, some days I'm able to follow, but just wanted to share how it looks like. So ideally, how many set of cards should you prepare? Example, if you are going to do the reading program, first you have to make the material. You will make the material with red marker or a red watercolor. You will select words that are used daily, like mummy, papa, grandma, grandfather, animals, or high chair, napkin, diaper. So create at least 50 words beforehand. Okay, that is done. Then the specification, you can make the word cards as big as possible, but remember the size of each letter should be 3 inch. So obviously you will have to make a big size of paper, like you will have to take A4 size, and that should be quite big enough, and it should be cut into a rectangular shape, and ideally the inches should be, so the size would be, the breadth would be 6 inches and the length would be around 22 inches, and the word that will be inside the rectangle would be 3 inches. See, this size that I have said, it is going to be very big. So if you want, you can make the length little smaller and the breadth also little smaller, but remember the word should always be 3 inch. Okay, so the flashcards are made, 50 we have kept aside. Now we want to start the reading program. How do we do? Every day we have to show 5 sets. 5 sets will have 5 cards. Okay, 5 sets, 5 cards, so total 25 cards. Okay, so for 1 week 25 cards you have to have. So almost this cards, that 50 cards we are going to use for 1 month. Now let's see how we can do it. Imagine you have to show 5 cards into 5 sets, so becomes 25 cards in 1 day. So there are two things that you can do. You can either show this 25 cards at once, you can show this 25 cards split in the 3 times, or you can show this 25 cards 3 times in a day. Okay, so this is also possible. 3 into 5 sets, that comes around, you have to show all the 25 cards 3 times in a day. If it is not possible to do that, what you can do, every card you have to show 15 times in 1 week. Okay, so this might sound confusing. Let's do it again. Okay, so let's do it again. 5 sets, 5 sets of cards, 5 set, each set will have 5 cards, so 5 into 5 becomes 25 cards. Okay, so 25 word cards we have to keep ready. Into 3, so 25 into 3 becomes 75. So 75 word cards, actually there are only 25 cards. Okay, but we are going to show them 3 times, so same 25 cards we have to repeat 3 times in a day. So every day you are going to show 75 cards. Now this you are going to continue for the entire month. How? It is clearly said that you have to show them on a repetitive basis without making the child bored. So this is an ideal schedule given. Not necessarily your child is going to see 75 cards. Not necessarily your child is going to repeat every 75 cards. He's going to look at them every time. Today he will see, tomorrow he will not see. So this is the ideal solution that is provided by Glenn Doman. What is the duration? Every card should be shown in 1 second, so less than 1 second. So if you see, you have to show almost 75 cards in 1 day, so that becomes 75 seconds. Your child may not have that capacity to see 75 cards. Even if he sees 25 cards is okay. So 25 seconds in a day for reading program. Okay, So how much would be the lifespan of every card? So one card, okay, suppose mummy, how many days are you going to show mummy? So 3 into that, 3 into 5, that becomes 15. So every day you are going to show mummy 3 times, and for how many days? For 5 days, so becomes 15. So every day mummy is going to get repeated 3 times, and for a week 15 times. So this is how the repetition is done. Okay, so now this becomes your routine. 1 week you do this, second week also you can do the same, or if you feel that no, I have lot of material made, I will show new cards, what you will do, 4 cards, 4 sets, that is 4 into 5, 20 cards. 20 cards will be the older cards, and now 5 cards you are going to reintroduce as in either you will make new, or you will bring from your old library. Like library as in, suppose you have made many cards and some cards you have already shown your child, and from today you are going to follow the method that I am showing. If you want to do that, then you can use the older cards also. So let's not get confused. I know this is the thing that we all get confused. So this is the Glendoman way, okay? This is not my way. It is very difficult to understand, but as we all know, every one of us has read the book and we are having so many doubts, and we discuss this on our groups. But I thought let's create a video that can make our life little easier. And I am not saying that this is the way it has been told by Glendoman. This is my perception about the method. Okay, so let's go back. So you have 5 set of cards. Okay, for 1 week you have shown the 5 set of cards. Now you want to reintroduce new cards. So what you will do, 4 sets, the same one. So 4 into 5 becomes 20 cards. You have to keep the same. 5 cards you are going to bring in new. So now this 5 new cards becomes one set. So one set in the second week you are going to introduce. So now this one new set along with the 4 older set you are going to show. Now next week, that is the third week, you are going to replace the second set. Suppose you had decided that okay, now out of 4 I have to again show one new set. So out of 4, remove that one set. Now how many cards? 3 sets remaining from the first batch. So 3 into 5 became 15. Okay, so now 15 cards are older ones, 5 cards that you had just introduced in the second week, and now again you are going to introduce new 5 cards. So 10 are kind of new cards and 15 are kind of old cards. So now again you have created this 25 set as in 5 set of each 5 words. Now again you keep on showing for the entire week. Now you come into the third week. Now already you had 5 set, in that 2 sets you had replaced. Now you are also going to replace the third one. So now 3 sets are new cards and 2 sets are from the starting point. Okay, so like that you are going to introduce new cards every time. Now the catch is, will you keep on buying new cards? Will you keep on drawing new cards? No. You are going to mix and match and going to bring the cards again and again and again. See, each card is going to get repeated 15 plus times. So every month at least 15 times one word is going to get repeated. So retirement word, I want to explain that also very nicely. So up till now you have understood that we have 5 set of cards, and how in 1 month you are going to use only this 5 set of cards and going to take in again and again up to 1 or 2 new set of cards. So total you need at least 120 cards to start your reading program. That's it. This 120 cards you can exchange and keep repeating again and again till 3 to 4 months. Once that is done, we are going to make duplicate cards. Okay, so duplicate cards means what? We will merge these 2 cards and make one word, like orange juice or pink bag, like that. So that will come on one single paper. So you don't need like huge vocabulary. For starting, at least have 120 words ready and then split them up. and then every time you feel that okay, today I want to bring in this particular set, I want to remove that particular set, you can easily do. Okay, so we will just revise what we have done. First, the daily content should be how much? 5 set of cards. Each set will have how many cards? 5 cards. So total 25 cards. How many times we are going to show? 3 times. So how much that becomes? 75. 75. Okay. So every card is going to get repeated 3 times. So daily we just need 25 cards, but we will showing them 3 times, so that total becomes 75 cards. Okay, you don't have to make 75 cards, you just have to prepare 25 cards, but you are going to show 3 times, so that becomes in that full one day how many cards have you shown? 75 cards. 25 cards into 3, that becomes 75. So you have totally completed how many cards? 75 cards in one day. How many times you are going to show your 75 cards to your child? You are going to show it till 5 days. So only 25 cards into 3 times you are going to show 5 days. So each word card is going to get repeated 15 times. Do you get it? Mummy is going to get repeated in a day 3 times, in a week 15 times. Got it? 15 times. Okay. Now what is the lifespan of each card? Lifespan is 15 days. 15 times. How 15 times? You will show one word 3 times in a day, and how many days? 5 days. Becomes 15 times. Okay, so that becomes the lifespan. How big the word is going to be? The letter, it will be 3 inches. What is the size of the card? It will be lengthwise 22 inches, breadthwise 6 inches. Are we going to able to do such a big card? It is not possible in today's time. So can we adjust the length of the flashcards? Yes, we can. The shape remains rectangle, but the main thing is the letters or the letter, that should be 3 inches. Okay, so the flashcard can be little big or little small, but the word should always remain 3 inch. Okay, the color should be red. Okay, so we going to retire one set in 1 week or every day, depends upon you. I have shown you week wise retirement. What do we do with the retired cards? We bring them back. We retire one set, but we get that set back again up to 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, depending upon mother's choice and baby's interest. Okay, what is the principle of flashcards? Do it before your child gets stop it before your child gets bored. So you will show the flashcards only till the time your child is not bored. Should I do flashcards every day? No. If you are bored, don't do. How many times should I show? I have already told you. What if I miss one day? It's okay. What about repetition? Can we repeat the flashcards? Yes, we can. But we should not bore the child. How will you know you have not bored your child? Your child will not show interest. What to do if your child is not showing interest? Make 0 distractions. Keep no distractions around the child. No toys, no music, nothing. Take the child to a silent, quiet place, and now keep showing the cards. Okay, so I can believe that this is going to resolve the issue. Second thing is, you can make the child sit in high chair. That is also helpful. Okay, so we saw that the retired cards come again and again. The new cards also you can introduce anytime. But remember, the repetition is very important. I understood from a seminar of a very intelligent lady, the neurological surgeon, who is only lady in India who is a neurosurgical doctor since I think quite a decade, 30-40 years back. So she has mentioned that it is important that you repeat the cards often. Repeating the cards is extremely important. So every card not just gets repeated 15 times, it also gets repeated more than that. So it is up to us how many times you are going to show the set. I have explained you the daily program. You can amend as per you. But I just want to tell you, don't keep on buying. That's it. Thank you so much.